Overcoming fear in just 60 seconds requires a shift from emotional overwhelm to logical action. Here are 3 distinct approaches for a 1-minute talk or intervention, depending on the vibe you want to set. 1. The scale of 1 to 10 technique, logical de-escalation. This topic focuses on grounding the person by forcing their brain to switch from the emotional amygdala to the logical prefrontal cortex. The concept: ask the person to rate their current fear on a scale of 1 to 10. The twist: then ask them to describe what a 10, the absolute worst-case scenario, actually looks like in detail. The goal: usually the 10 is far more extreme than their current situation, which naturally makes their current fear, perhaps a 4 or 5, feel manageable and survivable. 2. The 5 years from now rule. Perspective shift. Fear often thrives on the now, making a moment feel like a permanent state. The concept: ask one simple question. Will this matter in 5 years? 5 months? Even 5 weeks? The action: if the answer is no, the fear is a paper tiger. It has no teeth. The goal: to shrink the fear by placing it against the vast timeline of their life. It reminds them that they have survived 100% of their scariest moments so far. 3. The physiological reset, body over mind. Sometimes you can't talk someone out of fear, you have to breathe them out of it. The concept: use the box breathing method. 4 seconds in, 4 seconds hold, 4 seconds out, 4 seconds hold. The science: this hack signals the nervous system to move from fight or flight to rest and digest. The goal: by the time the minute is up, the physical symptoms of fear, racing heart, shaky hands, have subsided, leaving them calm enough to face the task.